What is up, cryptocurrency nation? This is your boy Brit VR. After the video, guys, check out my website Brit VR Crypto. I have this passive income videos for cryptocurrencies. They are free. Check them out when you guys can. Okay, guys, let's go to this Bitcoin chart before we get into the news. All right, so I drew this support line, this angle line going down, because you can see we were making lower lows and until we broke out, but we had a huge push back down. So let's go down to the 4 hour. Now with my William Alligator, it's an indicator. Look it up when you guys can. It's looking like it's pushing back down. If this green line passes below this pink line, we'll be looking at a bearish market pushing back down to around this 91.77 area, which we will find some more support. And from what I'm seeing right now, it's looking like we might be pushing back down, because you see this hammer right here. Usually after you see these couple of hammers, and if it doesn't push back up, yes, we're going to push back down to down here. But I could be wrong. When trading, follow the money. If you don't follow money, you would just get killed. We want to follow the big money because they're making the big moves in this space on these charts. And if you follow them, most likely, you'll be very profitable in trading. Okay, guys, so I read this a couple of days ago. Goldman Sachs lists 5 reasons why Bitcoin is not an asset class nor a suitable investment. So I'm gonna read the 5 things, but there was a conference call given out to their investors. The investors were asking about Bitcoin because in the news, some huge hedge funds like, hey, we're gonna invest 1% into Bitcoin because it's becoming more hard to get their hands on. And also the amount of Bitcoin is shortening up. So let's read these 5 reasons why they think Bitcoin is not a good investment. And probably in the background, they're buying all the Bitcoin up. You know how that goes. Bitcoin does not generate cash flow like bonds. That's very true. But you have stocks out there like Uber or marijuana stocks out there that do not produce dividends. There's tons of stocks out there that you put your money into, you expect them to go up, and they don't produce dividends. And another asset, gold. Gold doesn't produce a cash flow. They're on a demand that somebody buys it higher than you. Bitcoin does not generate any earnings through exposure to global economic growth. The third one, Bitcoin does not provide consistent diversification benefits given its unstable correlation. And the fourth one, Bitcoin does not dampen volatility given historical volatility of 76%. Goldman points to March 12th when Bitcoin fell 37% in a single day as evidence that Bitcoin volatility is through the roof. I can agree with that. Bitcoin is through the roof with volatility. But the more people that buy Bitcoin and separate Bitcoin between these holders, the less volatile it'll get. Bitcoin does not show evidence of hedging against inflation. Now, they put this down because they don't want this to happen. They beg that this doesn't happen. And this is one of the fundamental things that they don't understand. Bitcoin is decreasing while cash flow is increasing. They don't want to look at the math. So leave comments at the bottom to let me know what you guys are thinking about this. And I'll leave the article at the bottom. And finally, Cardano jumps as Shelly hard forks release date is confirmed. So I guess Shelly is the staking for Cardano. Today I will be buying some Cardano because Cardano is at, let's take a look. Cardano is at like 8 cents. So this might be a good opportunity to buy, but there are billions of Cardano out there. So just be aware of that. Now, why is this very important? Cardano hasn't did nothing like, they haven't had anything live since the creation of the coins. Like, they've been just working behind the scene. And I understand that to produce a great product, it takes time. So thanks for watching, man. Please visit my website, BritVR Crypto. And if you have a Bitcoin Lightning node, connect with me so we can make Bitcoin a lot faster. So hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and all you guys have a good day, and all you guys have a good night, and enjoy the crypto life. Peace.